In this video, you will see how to calculate 10% of a number in Excel. As you can see, I have here original price and 10% discount and the calculated discount value. There are 4 methods to calculate in Excel. It's very easy. First, in the method 1, just click inside the cell, then type equal to, click on the discount cell, forward arrow and type 100 multiply by the original price. So this is a percentage formula. So D6 is 10 of percentage, that means we need to divide by 100 and then multiply by the original number. So when we press enter, as you can see, 10% out of 100 is 10. Next method is also easy. In the second method, you just need to type equal to, you can type 0.1 directly and then multiply the original number and press enter on your keyboard. In the third method, you can type equal to 10 percentage and multiply by the original price, for example this 100, and press enter to calculate the 10% of a number. At last, method 4, you can imagine that discount is 10%, that means the value is 90%. So 90 divided by 100 multiply by the original number, and then you need to click here, select the original number and type minus and then press equal to calculate 10% of a number in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know which method you will use for calculating 10% of a number. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.